Yeah, sad news, guys. Yeah, sad news. It's really, really sad news. I just heard I'm from Midrand. Midakla stepping into the house. I saw a post from Unplayable that Mamelodi Sundowns and Bafana Bafana international midfielder Jalen Mid Adams has passed away. Yeah, I called some few people inside and outside Sundowns. What they're telling me is that he passed away indeed. The sad news is that his grandmother passed away just before the World Cup. Remember the World Cup match before Czech Republic on the 18th June, just before Bafana Bafana played that game. You remember I played the first game against Mexico for Bafana Bafana. And then the last game, obvious, he just before the last game against Czech Republic, his grandmother passed away. What I'm hearing is that that thing didn't go down well with him. He was so heartbroken because like his grandmother was always there with him from Stellenbosch. He will come and attend training. He's not just someone who was so close to him. So it looks like that thing it had to cut very deep. Obvious, it's a family matter. It's so painful that he passed away. And the way he passed away, it's more painful because according to the people I spoke to, they suspect that he might have committed suicide. May his soul rest in peace. If you remember, Jayden Adams, guys, is a player who was very, very good for Stellenbosch. He was brilliant. At one point in time, it was him, and Taita 25 Reyners, Torre, Deno van Rooyen. That team won the Carling Cup. He was part of that team. It's one of those players who, even when he joined Sundowns, a lot of people questioned his move and said, is he going to play at Sundowns? True to his skills and power, he played. And credit to Sundowns, obviously, for signing him. And credit for Bafana Bafana coach Hugo Bruce for giving him the opportunity to play for Bafana Bafana. I mean, at 25 years old, one would say was really very young. He was really young. There was a lot that was expected to him. He was one of those players at that age was already a starter in the national team because a stronger Bafana Bafana will have Mkwena and Jalen Adams. That's why if you look at his caps, is now like more than around 9 caps or so, scoring 2 goals. You can tell that even Sundowns in the Champions League last year, when they went to the final, he scored that goal against Esperance. He's a very, very good player. Or he assisted if it didn't to score, but he's been brilliant for Mamelodi Sundowns. He's been brilliant for South Africa. South Africa lost a huge talent in Jayden Adams. One would say is one of the most talented players ever to come from Cape Town. If you are talking about the best midfielders in this country in the last, Katlo Mashiro has been saying it many times. Metro FM with our guy Andile that Jayden Adams is the best midfielder in South Africa. That's what Katlo Mashiro has been saying. He is the best midfielder in South Africa. For him to lose his life like that, if it's true, obvious that he committed suicide, one would ask questions now. Obviously, we know the question won't be, why did he commit suicide? We know that it hurts him so much, the passing away of his grandmother, because it's the one who raised him. He was there with him, attending training when he was still a Stellenbosch. Did he get enough support from SAPA people? Because it's like we are from different cultures. Other people, they will say when your grandmother loses, maybe they will say, "Kota, qhubeka, soldier on." But in this case, did someone from SAFA discover how close was he to his family? Was he given proper support system or was it all about football? That he pick up and go? That could also, yeah, it's those questions that we have. That's what for me, I feel sad that he passed away like that. If it's true that indeed he took his life. But at the same time, I feel so sad. You see, guys, when people say money is not everything, it's not. Because at Sundowns, players just got paid 1.5 million for winning the Champions League. Bafana Bafana, again, so much money in millions that they were getting. At Sundowns was getting paid a lot of money. But one thing that was close to his heart was not really money. The grandmother, his death it cut so deep to a point where it's reported that, or the people I've spoken to, that it's the one that made him took his own life. Yeah, let's just pray for his family to gather strength. It's so sad. Mama Santawana is very sad because people they will say, yeah, he was getting paid a lot of money. He should have used the money of his grandmother. And no, guys, there's more to life than money. This is a very good example that the guy just loved his grandmother. Couldn't even play for Bafana Bafana. We're from different cultures. That's the thing. We are from different cultures. Other players can soldier on when their parents. I remember a story of Bongan Kumalo, whose mother passed away just before the World Cup. He continued to play, but him, it cuts so deep. So let's just appreciate life and realize that there's more to life than football. There's more to life than money. There's more to life than anything. This is a perfect example. When a multimillionaire, 25-year-old, can pass away just like that. Yeah, it's so sad, guys. Just wanted to tell you that yes, indeed, because it can't be that when players are going well, when things are on their side, we speak about it. When they're scoring spectacular goals, when they're passing away, we act as if we don't know what's happening. It can't be that it's gonna be reported by news or other people who don't even know who he was. As we know, he was a 25-year-old born 11 July 2026. His birthday was gonna be when? What is the date today? Just before his birthday, actually. That's how sad it is. Just before his birthday. I don't know when he passed away because today, as we know, is 11 July. So that will mean what? That was his birthday today. So he passed away on his birthday. If indeed he passed away, depending when he passed away. Yeah, so sad, guys. May his soul rest in peace. Bafana midfielder, Jaden Adams, is no more. It is reported that, or the people I've spoken to, they're saying he committed suicide through the pain of losing his grandmother. Yeah, we'll miss him. A very talented midfielder. One would say one of the greatest midfielder to ever come from Cape Town. Katlo Mashu has always been saying Jaden Adams is the best midfielder in South Africa. Rest in peace, Jaden Adams.